Get ready for the dictation. Start. Hearing was conducted through video conferencing and the learned counsel agreed that the audio and video quality was proper. Through this appeal, the appellant challenges the judgment and order dated 23/4/2018 passed by Additional Sessions Judge Gadchiroli in Sessions Case number 79 of 2015, convicting and sentencing him to undergo imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 1000 in default to pay the fine to suffer RI for 6 months for offence under section 302 of Indian Penal Code. In short, the prosecution case runs as under. The incident happened on 7/4/2015 in the barren field near the field of accused. On the day of incident, Punnibai PW2 along with her sister-in-law Vanita PW3 were in the field at about 7 am. At that time, the accused approached them and asked as to who has stolen wood from his field. When PW2 and PW3 denied it, the accused abused them by saying that they were daughters of landlord and collector. While the accused was abusing PW2, PW3 deceased came on spot and made inquiry with Punnibai and Vanita. PW2 and PW3 told deceased about the incident. Then the deceased asked the accused as to why accused abused PW2 and PW3. At that time, accused asked deceased to come near him so that the accused would disclose the reason to the deceased. When the deceased went near the accused assaulted the deceased with an axe on his head. The deceased fell on the ground and was declared dead on arrival in hospital. The accused thereafter himself went to police station along with axe and confessed crime by lodging the report. The police station Jarawandi registered a crime bearing number 03/2015 against the accused. The investigating officer submitted investigation complete report under section 173 of Criminal Procedure Code before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Aheri after completing the investigation. The learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Aheri committed the case to the Sessions Court as it being exclusively triable by the Sessions Court by its order dated 7/7/2015. The trial court framed the charge against the accused, which was denied by the accused, and the prosecution was called upon to open the case. The prosecution in all examined 12 witnesses, out of which PW2 and PW3 are eyewitnesses. In the statement of the accused recorded under section 313 of Criminal Procedure Code, the accused raised defense of rivalry against the deceased. Hence, the accused was falsely implicated in the case. The accused did not step into the witness box, however, examined his father as defense witness to prove that the applicant had psoriasis to his right hand. The learned trial court believed the witnesses examined by the prosecution and convicted the accused for offences punishable under section 302 of Indian Penal Code and sentenced for life imprisonment. We have heard Ms. Kirti S. Deshpande, learned counsel for the appellant, and Mr. N. S. Rao, learned APP for the state. We have also perused the depositions of prosecution witnesses, material exhibits rendered and proved by the prosecution, the statement of appellant recorded under section 313 of Criminal Procedure Code, and the impugned judgment. Ms. Kirti Deshpande, learned advocate for the appellant, submitted that on account of sudden and grave provocation, the incident took place. The injury was without any intention. There was only single blow. It is also submitted that there was a delay of 6 days in recording statements of eyewitnesses. It is also submitted that the accused was not immediately arrested, which cast doubt on the theory of prosecution. There is overwriting about date and time in the FIR. The eyewitnesses were related to the deceased and hence were interested. It is submitted that in case the court comes to the conclusion about involvement of appellant, at the most the offence can be under section 304 part 2 and accordingly the sentence be reduced. In support of her contentions, the learned counsel placed reliance on the decisions in Agnu Nagesia versus State of Bihar reported in AIR 1966 SC 119, Sampat Kumar versus Inspector of Police Krishnagiri reported in 2012 4 SCC 124, and Lakshman alias Laxmaya Gangaram Jinnah versus the State of Maharashtra reported in 2012, all MR 1998. Stop.